Welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Thursday the 9th of February with me, Richard Perry Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at gold, and we're still tracking higher on gold. The sort of run of higher lows, higher highs continues. You've got momentum indicators which are positive, although the RSI is now above 70, and 70 tends to sort of limit the upside, doesn't it, in the last 12 months, although this exponential rise higher that we saw in January to February 2016 saw the RSI getting to 86, but I don't really think this is an exponential run higher. I think it's more of just a trend higher. So that could suggest that sort of it's going to be a little bit slower, and maybe sort of you might get a little bit of an unwind, but and the RSI might just sort of hover around this sort of high 60s, 70s level. But generally speaking, I still think there is upside in this. Now having broken above 112.40, 112.41, it sort of now comes into the realms of like breaking higher and moving on. Now the Brexit day low was 12.51, and arguably I suppose if you break above that, you sort of get into the highs again of around sort of the big sort of breakdown level of 1300, which I think arguably is where we could be coming back to actually if it really does continue on. Maybe 1300's in possible territory now. So what we have got is this downtrend that comes in, and that downtrend sort of intersects our uptrend at around about 1285 at the moment. So there is the prospect of this sort of going certainly into the sort of 1260s, 1270, 1280s level in this bull run. In terms of your oh, sorry, that should be gold. In terms of your run higher, nice uptrend channel on gold now at the moment. Just consolidating a little bit in the last sort of day or so, but generally speaking, little consolidations have been bought into. 1225 was a breakout used as the base of support. 1235 is another breakout being used as a basis of support. So that is your sort of support at the moment. So 1235 and 1225 key levels near term. You've got the RSI finding nice support around the sort of mid 40s, pulling higher towards 70. MACD lines again nicely in positive territory, and the stochastics rising as well. So this is all pointing towards gains, I think, in gold continuing, and that's my outlook for now. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.